Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to use custom fonts on Instagram captions. So if you want to use a different font, you don't know how, this is the video for you. So let's say I want to change the font on this video. So it's just normally how to change mouse cursor. Just as an example, I'm going to show you how you can use this as a custom font. So for this, you want to go to your browser and type in instafonts, like that .io. Then go to the website, and this is where the website. Then type in our path. So I'm going to do test text 1, and here you can see all these different fonts. You can choose your own font, just any font you want. So let's do a nice one. This one, we can select it and then hit copy. Now we can go back to Instagram and hit edit, and then let's change the text. I'm just going to paste it in here just to show you guys. Hit paste, and boom. Now it's going to save. And once it's saved, as you can see, I used a different font, like a custom font, on the Instagram caption. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.